Before we take a deep dive into different types of the series and whether or not they converge and how we can determine if they converge, this is just a quick video to talk about some common series that you're going to be seeing a lot over the next couple of weeks. All right. First and foremost is one that you have already worked with, and that's a geometric series. In geometric series, quite often there's one question, usually early on in the BC exam, involving a geometric series. Just again, it's because it's one that's nice because it's a series that we can actually find the sum of. All right, and not all series are like that, but the geometric series is one where we can grab that sum, and we can do it rather easily based off of the conditions. So a geometric series where we have a common ratio between consecutive terms is one of the common series that you're going to see in the course. We also have alternating series. All right, so alternating series come up a lot as well. Those are series in which the sign of the series changes. So if the first term is positive, then the second term is negative, and the third term is positive, and the fourth term is negative, and so on and so forth. So the terms of the series are alternating their signs. All right, this is, as you can see in the notes, achieved by having basically -1 to the nth power, or the n minus 1th power, or the n plus 1th power. But basically, because the exponent keeps shifting from odd to even, that allows the sign change between consecutive terms. But we need that -1 to the, again, n plus 1 or n minus 1 power in order for it to all work out. The harmonic series is going to come up an awful lot, all right, because and you'll see why when the case comes. You can see it on your paper, but again, the idea is that you have 1 over 1 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 5 plus, all right, so on and so forth. All right, that is a series which is rather common and one which is a nice tipping point as far as convergence is concerned for the series unit. All right. Besides the harmonic, we also have the alternating harmonic, which is the same terms. It's just that when they change sign, so you have 1 plus a half minus a half plus a third minus a quarter, so on, and plus a fifth, so on and so forth. All right. So there's your alternating harmonic. And then the last one that's kind of common is your P series, all right? And the idea behind a P series is basically you have 1 over n to a certain power, all right? So 1 over n, that's a P series, okay? But so is the sum of 1 over n squared, all right? Or the sum of 1 over n to the 8th, that's also a P series. And it can be a number that's less than 1. You can have 1 over n to the 1/2. That would also be a P series, okay? So the idea is that you just have that 1 over n to a particular exponent. Right? And then, again, there's a sort of a tipping point there, which we're going to talk about.